Look at a report for a mental health program in Richmond County.
Local leaders joined a national program that looks into ways to keep people suffering from mental health issues out of jail. Will Rio live in our newsroom with this new report.
And Will, you say this hits close to home to one city leader pushing for this reform.
Yeah, that's right. Commissioner Jordan Johnson is spearheading this and has been since the city of Augusta passed a resolution in 2021 to become a stepping up city. Jordan has seen mental health impact his family and says he wants everyone to have access to mental health resources in the county.
It's a coordinated effort.
Each branch of our government and our nonprofit sectors came together to figure out how we can make services a little bit more accessible to people.
To help solve a problem impacting thousands of families every day in Richmond County.
And mental health has been an issue that not only affects the homeless population, but our populace at large.
In 2021, Commissioner Jordan Johnson pushed Augusta to become a Stepping Up city. The Stepping Up initiative is a national organization to help reduce the number of people going to jail that suffer from mental health issues.
I think that the issue has been that there has not been an effort to holistically address mental health in our communities.
This newly released report is called a Sequential Intercept Map. It's completed by the University of Georgia's Carl Vinson Institute of Government, who works with local law enforcement, hospitals, jails, nonprofits, and courts to show how behavioral health needs in the community clash with the criminal justice system. This is a look at Richmond County's map. The report shows gaps in resources in Richmond County while explaining how that gap can be filled. The top priorities in the report: getting 2 more clinicians in the jail and creating inpatient psychiatric treatment, because right now, local hospitals don't have that.
Folks need help, not a jail cell.
The report lists the Richmond County Sheriff's Office as having only 48 of their 546 deputies trained for crisis intervention. The I-Team recently showed the lack of funding for the CIT program.
I think that there is a number of opportunities that we can tap into outside of the general budget. Grant funds by way of our federal government and our state government.
Commissioner Johnson says the goal is to create a task force that can help address the growing concern of mental health in the county.
And much like the homelessness task force, the mental health task force will work the same way if that's formed. Another focus of this report was to give people citations and tickets instead of arresting them with the Richmond County Sheriff's Office. Now, if they are arrested, they want that extensive mental health screening placed inside of the jail. So there's so much information inside this report.